or less than 2 years.
Yeah.
Our spending all parliament.
87.9.
2 years in the crowd is say in your crowd swear we in, but the day swear we in. Now, if officially you become a member of parliament, within the next 1.5 years, I that one me. A dear nearman office said that Akoma so pa and manimu ya was spotted baby. I will come office a honor dia which the pa watch the mo pa Sadia no mu here. I some muye at the bow.
I know our bar Kumawu no me catcher was a contractor website in man 14
87.9. Yes.
Yes. Acquiring idea.
Maminya a clarification on that. Or yet the entire section Kumawu acquiring na and I say selected communities.
The meet me I can say Kumawu Oba acquiring baby now no buy a thank you to.
Yeah.
I'm saying do for acquiring be so
sure.
Oba searcher Oba banko.
Yeah.
Acquiring now hodada. It's the main way now for this contractor no. A Fijasa stretch all the way to Russell.
Okay.
And I will share Fijasa stretch. Now it stretches from the Brewam side of the constituency.
Yeah.
For Yoko, Abefada Diasi, and you remember no asphalt and a guso.
Oh, that.
Before now, before Kumawu, na a Tremua, Besnack of Abodomase, Akofa Russell, and Yanania.
Yeah.
Now, your town roads and swear come one contractor and also be the Hojima town roads no about Bodomase. Town roads, about Kumawu town roads, and far Botan so Tatia Bain, Abenaso, a Honina, acquire a good sa contract and air. So it determines that me make it then I make specific reference to the one crater.
Sure.
Into the one crater, and as I say, oh, di hojuma.
Oh, okay.
Ma make us say, time I contract. Yes, I remember my Omonyama Domna, Yantua Bani, said the baby bia any mubiano, ye bit media anwatum, na feature choir, na any contract anymore. Yeah, the two are buying him a buying so I dom now or the Nina Shimu because of her contract here or hoya. A Juma so far, why an akon and imbebre. For me, is my expectations even within the 14 months, obey way ahead of time. So that there are other areas not in any crater muno. Yame aduma yetimi no lobby de no abekeka ho na ama yakwan na wiepeye. So the medical can be yam fada kro na chechire oman yam fada kro na chechire kro na minim say anyoma ebetimi aye within the short period akai o yenim no eno ana yamam for behwe so a omobehunu say okay abrantie obae this is what he's been able to do inti yetwa no so man mfie ne bika ho a obetimi aboa na anyoma kese a aka wa chire no watimi aye no so e de aka ho inti that's the road for one. There are other areas I want to focus on education we share free SHS by any school feeding program by a lot of pressure about the facilities now. Yeah, one so it's in one of the things that I want to do. And nimenimu ya ne say yebeboa na efano school kunya ya mofra no ko school omotina so disua de even the school structures now bebre now so aye a bit old structures maybe ohwe campaign ya na nkwala bi bonyo mame no so school dan na chensen tutu ni ade those are the areas I feel so within the shortest possible time no e betimi ede mwa kakra akọ ho na yatimi akosiesie na ama school for so enya ahoto kakra e wo ho ana oba ya na agric sector. One of the things that you identify within the short period campaign, most of the people there, no, tomato farmers. Sure. So we have a lot of these tomato farmers there. Omo problem kesi ane se omo timiti toast no oko benada nomnia that omo timiti toast no sometimes even getting the market for in toast no crana a problem storage and so a major problem and these are areas that we feel within the shortest possible time no ye betimi aye farmers na dom na ya provide a market for omo produce and ne okotin toast bana unya obia ofree bebeti san kran ne tema no abetu ama ekuafo ya ehunu se beboa ama omo ahare omo yetimi boa ne create storage facilities and ne omotin toast no na omunya baby mfenwa at least ebetimi astore omo for some number of days omo so benya nkrofo atofo ama omo abeto na enkosei ema omo nko ahohihia mu